How to change PIN code in Messenger. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to change PIN code in Messenger. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Messenger application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, go ahead and tap on the three lines on the top left of your screen and further tap on the settings option you see there. Now go ahead and tap on the privacy and safety option. Further, under the security tab, tap on the end-to-end encrypted chats option and then tap on the message storage option. You will then see the option for reset PIN. Tap on that. You will then be prompted to enter a new PIN, so go ahead and enter a new PIN and further re-enter your new PIN, and with this your PIN will be changed. So this is how you can change PIN code in Messenger. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Lock and Shines for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.